Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code in Obsidian. First, download and install the Node.js long-term support version on your computer. After installation, open Command Prompt on Windows or Terminal on Mac or Linux and type node -v and press enter. Then type npm -v and press enter. If version numbers appear, Node.js is installed correctly and ready to use. Next, open Command Prompt or Terminal and install Claude using the official Anthropic install command. After installation, type Claude -- version and press enter. If a version number appears, it means Claude is installed correctly. Now set your API key. On Windows, tap setx _API_key. Then paste your API key in quotation marks and press enter. On Mac or Linux, type export _API_key equals quotation mark. Then paste your API key and close the quotation marks, then press enter. After this, restart your terminal to apply the changes. After that, open Obsidian and navigate to your Vault folder location. Right-click inside the folder and choose Open in Terminal. Once your terminal is open in the Vault folder, you can run Claude directly by typing Claude and pressing enter. For example, type Claude summarize all markdown nodes in this folder, or Claude create structured nodes from this text, Claude will process your nodes and provide results directly in the terminal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.